another episode of the Sequoia. So today, I should have been filming this earlier, but I just didn't. We got the headlight replacements in. These things look freaking sweet. Corner lights are back there. I'll have to get those, but right now we're just in the process of kind of just pulling everything out right now. Super simple. I was going to make an install video, but I mean, there's quite literally like 30, 40 highly detailed install videos. So I figure there's no real reason, but these are what these look like. These are daytime running lights. Obviously the headlight and the quarter lights are blacked out as well. So it's going really, really well. We installed our switchback turn signals. If you guys don't know what these are, basically when you have them on, they're white, and then when you turn your turn signal, they turn to orange. So I'll show you guys those whenever we're done. Another big update that happened today is, I don't think you're going to be able to see it. You're not going to be able to see it, but we took out the airbag. So if you notice, it's quite high off the ground compared to before, because we straight took out the airbags completely and we installed a coil spring set. I didn't do it because my jack literally broke. He went to jack this up, and it's such a heavy vehicle that it quite literally busted. So that sucks. Thanks, Harbor Freight. Also, we did plastic dip. Now, keep in mind, I have to pick out all of this stuff in here, but we did re-plastic dip all the emblems. Very, very nice. Parked up behind a tree, but you can kind of see all of the badges are black, and I'm going to get a bronze metallizer that goes over this, so all the badges will be kind of bronze, and hopefully we'll be paint correcting, because I mean, look at that. That's just, that is rough. But that's kind of the update right now. I'm gonna come back at you guys when I have at least one side done, so I can show you guys exactly what's up. It'll probably be this side, but things are going really well, and I'm super excited to see how these lights are gonna look. All right, so this headlight is in, it looks great, but we already have ran into a problem. Here is the problem. If you look at that little like beige looking piece, this is supposed to line up with that. Now if we come over here, you can kind of see what it looks like, and this is basically how you screw in this top screw to hold it in. This doesn't line up at all. I did line, because these two down here, perfect, right? No issues whatsoever. And then you see the fitment is also really good in there. Looks great. But when you tilt it back, it just looks bad. Like that gap is crazy. So then when you put it down, you see, and that's in the normal spot, and then that's down. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna zip tie it, baby. I mean, it's in there pretty good, like, especially with the hood closed. I don't think it would be too crazy. But we're gonna zip tie it. We're gonna go through here and come over here, and yeah, we're just gonna call that a day. So time for the side marker lights and some zip ties. All right, so I was trying to zip tie it, didn't stop it from going backwards. So I just, as you can see, drilled another hole and then drilled it in there, and we're looking pretty good. So this is in there. Now I just got to snake one of the corner lights under here, and we're getting real close, boys. All right, so I'm a smooth brain. So you see the holes I drilled, because I was like, man, that's a big gap. No shot. I should have took pictures of it, but there was a huge gap right here. I mean, literally like an inch. So then I finally just pushed it, tilted it upward, and I'm like, oh damn, now there's no gaps. So I'm a smooth brain. I did all that drilling for nothing, but it's okay, because look at that, man. Let's close the hood here. Man, that looks good. It's hard to see kind of with the glare. Man, that completely transforms the look. Let's sorry to close that door, it's bothering me. Let's go and let's turn on the lights so we can see. I'm excited, boys. Oh yeah, we got the switch. Oh my goodness. It's not picking it up super well on camera, but it is picking it like in real life, IRL, if you will. You could definitely tell. Man, that looks good. Oh, I am so pumped. Man, that looks good. Oh, that looks so much better than before. Maybe I'll see if I can throw up a before picture and an after picture. That looks so good. Well, I accomplished the impossible. Not really. This realistically took me like a half an hour, but I'm just kind of a dumbass. So, yeah. But I'm very happy with these. Fitment was pretty good. It was like a 7 or 8 out of 10. But man, do these look good. Well, all right, boys. Thank you so much for watching. Still don't know what this channel's called, what I'm going to do, but the Sequoia's looking real good, man.